Welcome to Learner's Area. Today we see about NDT, radiographic film and its processing details. So this is a 7th class. Let's go. So this is a cross section of film. Okay. So cross section of radiographic film. So in this film, the top and bottom layer is protective layer and central layer is a transparent layer and the image layer is between transparent and protective layer. So in the film, the protective layer is consists of only gelatin. Okay. And image layer is silver bromide or silver halide with gelatin. And the third one is transparent layer, that is it contains acetate base. So the protected layer is protect the outer area of the film. Okay. So in this, when ionization happens, the silver bromide is converted into black metallic silver plus bromine. So image how it is formed means due to ionization only. So film processing is carried out in dark room. So in the dark room, that around 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degree Fahrenheit only maintained. Okay. So in this dark room, the safe light will be placed above the processing area. Okay, that is placed in ceiling. In dark room, there is two area, that is two side, dry side and wet side. In dry side, the film loading and film handling and all, film loading and film unloading process and all carried out here. So this is a dry side. Okay. And wet side, it is a tank method, that is a processing tank. In this area, the film will be processing. That is the invisible image will be converted into visible image by use of processing tank. Safe light must give sufficient visibility. Okay, give sufficient visibility for technician to handle and process film. Okay, so that's why the safe light is held here. And safe light distance from processing shall be at least 1.2 meter above. Safe light illumination shall not be visible change to light sensitive material. Okay, so poor safe light provides less photographic film quality. So 15 watt safe light bulb they are using industries. Safe light placed minimum 4 feet from the work zone and relative humidity should be level below 60%. Proper room dimension should be considered in dark room. So in the processing tank, the four processes, okay, from that is hidden image to visible image, the four process, then only the hidden image is converted into visible image. Hidden image, another name is latent image. So here the first process is developer. What is developer means? It is a tank, contains solution of 50% alkaline and 50% of hydroquinone. So here 4 tanks is placed here, okay, in the processing tanks. So its function is the alkaline, 50% of alkaline acts as a acceleration and it's remove the protective layer. Okay, and the hydroquinone function is reducing, it is an reducing agent to remove all exposed silver bromide grains into black metallic silver. So hydroquinone only helps to remove all exposed, okay, so exposed silver bromide grains into black metallic silver. So its recommended time means the hanger is used to hold the film, that is unexposed film, and it immerse in the developer tank. Okay, so at, that is generally 5 minutes the holding time, that is minimum 3 minutes. It's depend upon the film types also, radiation energy also. So general 5 minutes and minimum 3 minutes. Some agitation will be carried out in between the 5 minutes. And here the finally developer converts latent image, that is hidden image, to visible image. So latent image is an invisible image on unprocessed film. Okay, that is unexposed film. So unprocessed film, that is exposed film only. Here I mentioned is wrong. See, exposed film, and an invisible image on unprocessed film, that is exposed film, after it has been exposed to ionization radiation or light. So stop bath. Stop bath means it is also one tank, contains 90% of water and 10% of acetic acid. So it also hold the film by using hanger, and same hanger only hold all the films in total process. So recommended time is 30 seconds. So what's the function of stop bath means? It stops the developing process and remove excess developer solution in film. Some developer solution is attached in the film. Okay, is touch the film, so that developer solution and all remove by stop bath and stop the developing process. Next, so fixer solution, it is also one tank, the third tank, and a tank contains sodium thiosulfide. Here remove all unexposed silver bromide. So it fixes the image, remove unwanted silver halide and make image permanent. So here time, how much time we have to choose means the double of the development time. So development time means that 5 minutes means here 10 minutes. And final tank is running water tank. So here this tank contains water. Just dip the film in the running water and then go to dryer room for dry the wet film. So function is removal of unwanted fixation products. In fixer, no. So fixer solution. So fixer solution and all remove. So removal of unwanted fixation products. And finally is drying room. It is not in the dark room. So separate room have to be choose. So drying room, removal of unwanted water. Friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video means please subscribe and click bell icon for more videos. Hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you friends.